Hi friends, my name is Allie Lawrence. Welcome to the maintenance series. We'll be working on the arms and back today. All you'll need is yourself and a couple of blocks. If you've got some, you can also use a chair or a bench. It'll be for our tricep dips. And then also if you've got a couple stool bars and a bar that you can use to pull yourself up in or anything comparable. Otherwise, you can opt for another workout or push-ups instead. Go ahead and take a moment to turn on some of your favorite music and meet me on the mat on your hands and knees. Let's go ahead and get started on our hands and knees for tabletop twists. Wrists are under shoulders. Knees are under hips. Go ahead and curl your toes, bring your knees to a hover. You can also keep your knees down for modification. Inhale, drop your hips over to one side. Exhale, squeeze your belly in, lift up through center all the way to the other side. Inhaling down, exhale up. Moving side to side for 10, 9, 8, 7, warming up the wrists, the shoulders, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gonna lower your knees down, turn around, bring your palms onto the blocks. You wanna make sure that your elbows are over the wrists, stack nicely, and squeeze your arms in back behind you. And lift up, and inhale, lower, exhale, squeeze the belly in, lift up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Then go ahead and turn around. We're gonna come down on our knees for push-ups. Hands under shoulders. Gonna tuck your hips in and lower down for 10, 9, 8, 7, and done. Go ahead and turn around. You're gonna come under the bar. I'm gonna part a little bit. And again, if you do not have this set up, you can opt for push-ups, tricep dips, or any other workout that sounds good to you. I'm coming underneath. And the thing with these, you may not feel them at first, but in time, trust me, you will. So I've got my hands about shoulder width apart. You can do an underhand or an overhand. I find the overhand a little bit more challenging, but I get a little more depth with the underhand. You're gonna inhale, exhale, lift up. You're gonna come down all the way, lift up. Lift up from your chest, like you're trying to touch the bar. We're here for 7 more. Exhaling up, squeezing belly in all the way up. All right, and done. Go ahead and turn around. I'm gonna do this set one more time. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, curl the toes, lift the knees to a hover, and drop down on the side for 10. Exhale up, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna turn around, do 10 tricep dips. Wrists are under shoulders, so scoot up if you need to. Keeping your arms stacked. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. Inhale down, exhale, lift. This feels so good on the shoulders. And that's about 10. Let's go ahead and turn around. Find 10 push-ups on the knees. Nice flat back. Inhale. Exhale, lower and lift. 10, 9, 8. All right, nicely done. And last 10 pull-ups or any workout you choose. Inhale. Exhale on the left. Let's go. 10, 9, lifting up from the chest. 5, and last one. Nicely done. This concludes our arms and back in less than 5 minutes. Hope you've enjoyed this class as much as I have. I know I am feeling it in my arms and back. I did not expect that, but some days it's like that. You never know how your body's going to respond depending on what kind of nutrients it's got. Go ahead and get yourself some protein, 30, 60 minutes, hydrate. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you again soon.